this. So incredible. Hey guys.
Hey, welcome, girls.
How you guys doing?
I'm good. I'm Casey.
Hi, I'm Huntley.
Toochi, nice
Excellent,
to
nice to
meet
meet
you
you.
guys.
Well, welcome to Sky Combat Day. So you're going to be your pilots today. This is where you go fly the world's most aerobatic aircraft. We're going to do all kinds of things you don't normally do in aircraft.
All right, let's get you suited up. Let's go.
Let's do it.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm so ready.
Heck yeah. Here we go!
Oh my gosh, you could have warned me.
Sorry.
I can't believe how easily these things maneuver. It really feels not like real life. In real life, but not real life.
Lightly on the stick. Here we go.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right, time to fall backwards. Let's go.
What do you mean fly backwards? Oh my God.
Just turn the engine up, fly backwards.
Wait, turn the engine
No big deal.
What do you mean? Hey, gosh, what do you mean? This is way scarier than I thought. Oh my gosh. I have my eyes closed when we go too high. So we're pretty high up.